Here's to the explorers who know where tomorrow takes us. I'll be walking with you to the unknown. Here's to the wild horses who run without the courses. I'll be running with you to the unknown. Ooh, hey, 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 here's to the unknown.
So to be good, you just got to be John.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all there is.
Sometimes I just close my eyes and just let Jesus take the wheel.
You really did that day on the mountain when we were getting shot at by the cartel. You really let Jesus take the wheel.
I couldn't run as quickly as you because I was bleeding.
We've got to go back to the beginning.
John, one of the great things about working with you is that you are a fantastic DP, but you also bring all these drone skills. And over the years, you've been able to drone for us, you know, in the Arctic, in Mexico, all over the US for all these various projects. And you have a knack for, I think, the technical side, but also the, you know, the eye for what looks good from the sky. Mm-hmm. And I can always count on you as we finish up, you know, Patty's coverage of whatever we're filming, to then go out and get coverage of the city or the town or even the main character. What shots should every DP be trying to get when they have the bird in the air?
Oh, absolutely. My favorite shot of all is just to fly through things. If there's a chance to fly through a small hole that opens up to this beautiful scene, I think that adds like that's just a really cool reveal. Probably my second favorite is flying low on top of a flat water surface. I remember this time we were in Halibut Cove in Alaska, and the water was just perfectly flat, and this seaplane was about to take off, and I'm just going low and fast following it as it takes off. There are 100 shots you can get. One is just a wide static, showing off the space. Another shot is a reveal shot. You can just simply do top down. In a way, it does give you depth. For instance, flying over crowded city streets, you're not only getting colorful rooftops, different size buildings, but you're getting cars and people. There's just a lot of activity happening when you're looking just straight down.
And then there's like interesting patterns that you can get too. When you're looking down from an airplane at a neighborhood, you see the patterns in the streets and everything. And I noticed in your photography, I see a lot of that too. I see just like really cool, well-framed, well-composed shots where you get to see patterns in the ground or on a mountain that you wouldn't see from the ground.
Patterns aren't just shapes, they're colors, they're lines. You just gotta look for them. Another great shot is a tracking shot. You're really following the subject as it moves through its environment. a great one was Aaron, you and I were in the Yucatan, and
We were on the boats, right?
yeah. We're out on the boats. Anyway, we're in this fishing village, and I'm just about eye height following this boat as it's turning, coming into the harbor. And I end up tracking him from behind and slowly came up, revealing this small but beautifully colorful city. It's the same thing as any documentary filmmaking. You're there as a observer. You have to just look for the moment. And you have to be open, fluid to reading actions or anticipating them.
Speaking of anticipating actions, there was that day that the cartel started shooting at us as we were on top of the mountain.
Yeah, we were told that that may happen.
We were told by multiple people not to go up there, but it was this. We were in Monterey, this beautiful neighborhood, and in Monterey, the neighborhoods in the mountains are the most colorful, and the city decided to paint them different colors to give them a nice look. And for some reason, those are also the most dangerous. And we were staying on one side, and we kept thinking, man, it'd be awesome to go up that hill. It was like a foothill where it was empty foothill. And the other side is this neighborhood, and we decided to go anyways. I know when I hear a gunshot, and I look over, and over the ridge are these two dudes running over the hill, shooting a gun. I heard the gunshots, and I said, John, we gotta go. Like, let's go. And I think you were still trying to finish the shot.
Oh, no. I was just trying to get the bag and through the controller.
Well, I mean, it just kind of goes to your commitment. We also didn't want to lose the gear, but I also didn't want you to get shot.
I reached for my backpack, which, again, we'll talk into what the pack, and this is a good example of packing light. I just reached for my bag and threw the controller in. Drone's still up in the air, and they're shooting at the drone. They're not shooting at us yet. I felt safe knowing that if they couldn't hit the drone, which was just hovering, that they weren't going to hit us. Oh well, I kept on telling myself that. It was a learning experience.
And you took a tumble. And then we took a bunch of shots at tequila.
Taking those shots had nothing to deal with what had happened prior. Those shots were us drinking. Those shots were going to happen regardless.
That was just a Tuesday.
Yeah. Fun times.
Do you have any parting words for filmmakers and if they want to get really into drone photography or get hired as a freelance drone operator, things that they can do to get hired more or to have a better portfolio?
Take a risk. Don't let anyone tell you can't do something. And have fun. Creativity is created by things that we love doing.
Dude, I hope we travel the world together and continue doing this work because I love working with you.
Me too, man.